Today I'm at Castle Harbour Hotel and I'm going to show you how to get to the Pasarela Shopping Centre. Let's go. And I've just walked up here from the Mirage Hotel where I'm staying, and I have to say it's great to be back in Los Cristianos. I love this place, it is really nice. Nice relaxed vibe. I think a lot of the older people like Los Cristianos, and I have to say I like the relaxed atmosphere of it. And I have to say I'm nearly 50. I don't think Las Américas is maybe my scene. It's not one for nightclubs. No, I like a good band. But aye, Los Cristianos suits me, I quite like it. When we stayed here before, it was the H10 Big Sur that we stayed in, and I really liked that hotel, but it is a bit pricey. That said, I did get it half price, and aye, that was a good one, and that was a family member gave me that half price, so if you're watching that, Catherine, thank you very much. It's really appreciated, and it's great to be back in Los Cristianos. So I'm just going to show you down here. It's actually not very far. Now, if you want to go to a supermarket, there's a supermarket just down here. I'll just show you it. There it is there, and it's 24 hours, which is good to know. Looks a fairly decent supermarket. There's Paradise Park. Has anyone stayed there? Let me know what you think in the comments. Is that a nice hotel? Is Castle Harbour a nice hotel? One thing I would say, like Los Cristianos, it makes me miss Benidorm, the simplicity of it. It's just like dead easy to get everywhere. You're not pushing on the roundabouts and stuff. Very straightforward Benidorm, I think. And great for Jacqueline getting about in her wheelchair. That said, once you're at the front of Los Cristianos, going to Las Américas and Costa Adeje, it's just a straightforward coastal walk, and it's quite a good walk. And I'll be filming that later. So look out for that video. There's a bus stop. I have to say, I'm filming this about 9 AM in the morning, and it is really roasting. It's very hot, but it's overcast. So you can see. See, it's overcast. So it's just down this way, and it's at the shopping centre, the Pasarela Shopping Centre. There's the Elpre supermarket. I believe you can get into the mall from that way. There's a chemist. I think no, it's not a chemist. I'm not sure what that is. So there's one entrance, but I'll take you around this way. There's an Indian restaurant. near where the Pasarela Shopping Centre parking. I'm not sure how much it costs, but that is walking distance from the hotel. The Chicago Sports Bar and Grill. It's a breakfast menu. Chicago's classic, $5.95. Bacon, sausage, egg, hash brown, plum tomatoes, beans and toast. Breakfast wrap, sandwich. Chicago's full breakfast. Bloody hell, 2 bacon, 2 egg, 2 sausage, 2 hash browns, black pudding, tatty scone, beans, mushrooms, plum tomato with fries and a slice of bread and butter. $11.95. That's a bloody damn good deal. Bit too much though. Anyway, on with the show. Now, see around here, there's a really good Chinese. I'm going to show you it. And first, this is Chicago's. It's good for the sports, and I think they do put entertainment on. Now, across here, there's Highland Playa. I watched a recent Scotsman Kevin video, and they were doing it up. I don't know, I was hoping it would be open by the time we got here, but I've got a funny feeling I see the ladders outside it. But there's a hoops bar, and just down there to the left is a Mirage strip. So I'm going to show you, here's Overseas Asian Bistro. It's really good, it's a really good Chinese. Let's see what we've got. Soups, starters, sushi, rice and noodles. It's a really good restaurant. Highly recommended. I can also recommend Rosario's in Los Cristianos. That's a really nice restaurant. So anyway, I'm just going to show you the mall briefly. There's the mall. If you ever want a massage, see this massage machine, it's brilliant. Because away all the way back, I really liked it. It's very noisy. It's very noisy in there. I was going to show you about a wee bit in a few shops, but I might be doing another video. It's really good. There's a shop there for like your alcohol and cigarettes and stuff. A few good wee shops. I would recommend it. And there's an arcade upstairs for the kids. So, aye. Anyway, that was the Castle Harbour to the Pasarela Shopping Centre walk. Hope you've enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments what you think. And thank you very much. And please, only a small channel, please like, subscribe and share. It would really help. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.